birds flying high. You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. The shark has pearly teeth, dear. Now you can dance every dance with the guy who gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. And you can smile every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's
Ladies
taking
and
you
gentlemen,
home, and
please return to your seats and secure your seatbelts. In a few minutes, we will be landing at our destination. Welcome to the 2008 UST EHS Grand Reunion! Presenting our MC for the evening, Miss Ruby Awanan Barbosa, and her co-host, Miss Pinky Abad Duran, and the leader of the gang, Mr. Ed O'Malley. And now, please rise for the Philippine National Anthem.